Alrighty, thank you, Rob. Well, it was a night of watching and waiting at UL.
That's right. Engineering students spent the last 5 years building their own satellite, and tonight, with the help of NASA, it was time for liftoff. Our Stephen Albritton was there and brings us the story in 3, 2, 1.
5 years of work came down to Tuesday night as these students prepared to watch this project take flight.
It's a great experience. Anything I do after this, I owe to this organization, to the CAPE organization, to this university.
Leading up to liftoff was the nervous wait. Always in the back of their mind, the thought of what could go wrong.
Really excited, but there's always that little bit of worry that something is going to go wrong. And then you're
2, 1.
A stressful moment, but successful liftoff. Then another wait. 90 minutes this time, with a satellite traveling more than 17,000 miles per hour and 400 miles high to finally make contact with its home.
Oh, that was solid.
No big applause, but instead relief. 5 years of work, in flight, in working order, and ready to take its first command.
Now we're going to play with it. Going to talk to it, it's going to talk back.
We're going to go on a tour a little bit.
We're going to tour all.
At UL, Stephen Albritton, KATC, TV3.
A small cube satellite designed and built by a team of UL Lafayette students is finally in orbit after an almost half a decade wait.
The Cajun Advanced Pico satellite was earlier this evening.
And News 10's Hope Ford was there to get reaction from a very eager engineering department.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
oh my God, that was panic!
Yes, the countdown was music to the ears of students from the CAPE team.
He said, we really want to hear the radio next.
The device, about 10 centimeters cubed and weighing only 2 pounds, launched from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia Tuesday night. Some team members that helped to build the satellite left Monday to view the launch in the flesh, while others stayed here for the opportunity to begin communicating with the device. After the satellite's successful launch, they waited for the chance to begin to talk to the device, which took about an hour and a half.
We have a big antenna on the roof. We've got a ground station we've got a ground station, and we're all going to be sitting in there trying to talk to it. And we were able to decode one, so we have successfully been able to communicate with this thing.
CAPE 2 is capable of converting text to speech, transferring files, and not to be outdone in a social media age, the device can even tweet. The impressive cube can also collect data from buoys in the Gulf of Mexico.
The buoy will be taking the information from its surrounding area, and it's going to send that packet to the satellite when it's orbiting over it. And then when we're within range here, the satellite's going to send it back to us.
The hard work of these students and what they've learned in the process is completely invaluable.
Students don't really get a chance a lot of times to do something with their major while they're in school, and sit down and do what you need to do. It'll go where you want it to go, which in this case is outer space.
Hope Ford, KLFY Multimedia News.
Amazing story. CAPE 2 is one of 11 selected for NASA's education launch of nano satellites, a program designed to promote technology and research. This is UL Lafayette's second Pico satellite. The first, simply titled CAPE, launched in 2007. And the team says they're already making plans for CAPE 3.